Hi, so welcome to my channel. This is Kim, your superbva, and for today's video, I will introduce to you the new feature of Canva that is called Magic Write. So what is this Magic Write for? It lets you write a content from a simpler text prompt in seconds. So we are going to check that out. First, we are going to log in on our Canva account. So we can log in using our email. Right, so let's log in. And then click continue. Right, so you can see that the new feature here in the dashboard section, which is this document right here, docs, it says for you, docs, whiteboard. So let's click the docs. And then as you can see, there are two features here, so we can open both of them. So let's open first this one. All right, it's loading. Okay, you can click the X. So next is we can open this one. The other one is just an instruction on how you will write the in what you're going to do on Magic Write. So a warm welcome to Canva Docs. We're very excited to have you here. We hope you enjoy using Canva to create beautiful documents. So this is just an instruction on how you will do it. All right. You can check that out. So we're going to try making our first content or write up. So for example, we can delete this one, and then we're going to click the plus sign here and then click Magic Write. Sorry. Try it out. Okay. We can put here example, love yourself. This is just some keyword that we can use on creating our content, and then you just press enter. So it will automatically give you a content or a text that is related to love yourself. Self-love is essential for healthy and happy life. As you can see, it is very relatable to your keyword, to your topic that you are searching. So it would be easier for us to create a caption on our social media post, to create the content on our blog because of these new features on Canva. So again, you can easily find the Canva new feature here in the dashboard section, and it is called Docs, document. All right, so I think that would be it. I do have another training video on how you can remove your the image background using Canva. So, however, you need to have a Canva Pro account in order for you to access or to have access to these features. So you can remove Canva image background on Canva. However, you have to get a Canva Pro account, and I do have I can let you use my Canva Pro account for 30 days. Just message me, just leave a comment on the comment section, or you can message me on Facebook. So this is my Facebook page. Just send me a message here that you are interested on trying Canva Pro for free, and I will give you the free access on my account. Right? So just find me on Facebook. And thank you so much for watching. This is Kim. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you can hit the notification bell as well so you will be updated on my latest uploads. And leave a comment if you have any questions about Canva or anything about that is related to virtual assistant. So yes, just send me just leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you once again. You have a wonderful day.